Hello kids, today we are going to learn our subject and the subject is English. Whenever we begin any subject, first of all, we should know the spelling of our subject and it's English. That is the spelling of our subject. Now, I am teaching you English lesson number 5 of class first. Now, the name of our lesson is CAT cat and MOUSE mouse. You all must know that what is a cat and what is a mouse. Cat, Billy. Mouse, चूहा. You must have heard the stories of cat and the mouse. आपने पहले भी बहुत सारी स्टोरी सुनी होंगी चूहे और बिल्ली की. टॉम एंड जेरी देखते हैं ना कार्टून. There also cat and the mouse used to come. Tom is a cat and Jerry is a mouse. Tom always क्या करता है? जेरी के पीछे पीछे दौड़ता है. किस लिए? To catch him. उसको पकड़ के eat कर ले. Why? Because cat's favorite food is milk and as well as the mouse. वो cat का favorite food है that it likes to eat. And now in our story, the thing is very different. Over here, cat and mouse are the best friends. Cat और mouse जो है वो एकदम best friend है. Mouse is used to listen all the thing of the cat. Mouse जो है वो क्या करता है? Cat की सारी बातों को listen करता है. But cat is very selfish. Selfish मतलब जो अपने बारे में ही सोचता है. So first of all, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the spelling of selfish. So spelling of selfish is SELFISH. Now we are going to read together SELFISH. Selfish. Who is selfish? Cat. Why? Because cat used to think of itself only. Cat अपने ही बारे में सोचती है. उसको माउस की चिंता नहीं है. But mouse doesn't know this thing. Mouse को तो ये पता ही नहीं था. Mouse used to think that cat is my friend. Mouse क्या सोचता था हमेशा कि cat क्या है? मेरी friend है. So it will going to listen to me. Do you know how cat looks like? आपने कभी देखा है cat कैसे दिखती है? Let's draw. हम बनाते हैं. चलिए. First of all, the spelling of cat. CAT. Now, a small face of cat. This is the round face. Eyes of a cat. Then, this is the nose of the cat. What it has? It has the whiskers. मतलब मूछें होती हैं उसकी. That is called the whiskers. Two very nice ears. Ears हो गए. Then the body of the cat and the tail of the cat. How it's looking? What I forgot? I forgot to draw the hands and the legs. This is the cat. So what this cat used to do? The cat was very selfish. He doesn't care for the mouse. It doesn't care for the mouse. So mouse की चिंता नहीं थी. Why? Because it was very selfish. So one day what happened? They both decided to save some food for the winter. एक दिन दोनों ने मिलके क्या डिसाइड करा कि हम क्या करते हैं? थोड़ा सा जो फूड है we should save for the winter. जब ठंडियां आ जाएंगी तो हमको ठंडी लगेगी. हम बाहर नहीं निकल पाएंगे. So what we should do? हमको थोड़ा सा खाना बचा के रखना चाहिए. कब के लिए? जब ठंडी का सीजन आ जाएगा, विंटर सीजन आ जाएगा. So what they decided? So they decided मतलब किसी चीज को रेडी नक्की कर लेने का कि हम यही वर्क करेंगे. That means decided. So we learn the spelling of decided together. What's the spelling? DECIDED. That's the spelling of decided. So we'll read together. DECIDED. D. That's the spelling of decided. Now, what cat and mouse decided? They both decided, उन लोगों ने decide करा कि हम क्या करते हैं, हम अपने लिए फूड स्टोर करके रखते हैं, सेव करके रखना पड़ेगा हमको संभाल के ठंडियों के लिए, बिकॉज व्हेन द विंटर सीजन विल गोइंग टू कम, अगर ठंडियां आ जाएंगी तब हम क्या खाएंगे, सो हाउ दे विल गोइंग टू हैव द फूड, वो फूड कैसे क्या करते, फॉर देयर फूड दे डिसाइडेड टू स्टोल, दे डिसाइडेड टू स्टोल, स्टोल मतलब चोरी करना, STOLE, spelling of stole, STOLE. Let's once again read STOLE, stole. Now they both decided, उन दोनों ने क्या डिसाइड करा, हम अपना फूड जो है विंटर सीजन के लिए स्टोल कर लेते हैं और उसको सेव करेंगे विंटर्स के लिए। स्टोलिंग समथिंग इट्स नॉट अ गुड, हमको कभी भी कोई भी चीज स्टोल नहीं करनी चाहिए। दे वॉन्टेड टू स्टोल, क्योंकि वो तो एनिमल्स हैं, वो कहाँ से जाएंगे फूड लेने के लिए, दे डोंट हैव हाउस टू लिव, सो दे डिसाइडेड कि अगर हम चोरी करके कुछ फूड रख लेंगे सो इट विल हेल्प अस टू ईट इन द विंटर सीजन, सो दे बोथ डिसाइडेड टू स्टील, बट स्टीलिंग इज वेरी बैड, हमें कभी भी किसी का कोई भी सामान बिना पूछे नहीं लेना चाहिए, that is also called stealing, in house also as well as in the school also. Now what they both decided to steal, उन्होंने क्या सोचा, अब हम चोरी कर लेते हैं, so they were searching for a place, वो जगह ढूंढ रहे थे कि हम कहाँ पे जाएं चोरी करने के लिए, when they were moving they saw a church, जब वो जा रहे थे उन्होंने चर्च देखा, so we learn the spelling of church, CHRUCH, spelling of church is CHRUCH, the spelling of church. What they both decided to steal a food, for what, for their food for the winter season. Now what do you mean by church, what do you mean by church, church क्या होता है, church is a place similar as the temple, आप लोग मंदिर जाते हैं ना, मम्मा के साथ जाते हैं, फादर के साथ जाते हैं, क्या करने के लिए, प्रे करने के लिए, same is the place as the church, but who goes to the church, Christian people, who used to go to the church, Christian people, जो जीसस क्राइस्ट को मानते हैं वो पीपल चर्च जाते हैं, किस लिए, प्रे करने के लिए, टू द गॉड, सो चर्च इज द प्लेस वेयर क्रिश्चियन पीपल यूज्ड टू गो फॉर प्रेइंग, चर्च कौन सा जगह है जहां पे क्रिश्चियन पीपल क्या करने जाते हैं, प्रे करने के लिए जाते हैं। नाउ दे बोथ डिसाइडेड टू स्टोल समथिंग एंड हाइड दैट थिंग इनसाइड द चर्च, उन्होंने क्या सोचा, चोरी करके चर्च में छुपा देते हैं, नो वन विल गोइंग टू सी ओवर देयर, वहां पे तो कोई देखने के लिए नहीं आएगा, सो दे बोथ स्टोल अ बॉटल ऑफ फैट। नाउ व्हाट इज फैट ओवर हियर, फैट ओवर हियर इज anything that consists of fats, such as ghee, butter, milk, all these things have fat inside, so they stole a small pot of ghee. What they stole? They both stole a small pot of ghee, a small pot of fat. Spelling of fat, it's F-A-T. What they stole? They stole a small pot of fat. That means it was ghee inside. You all know ghee. मम्मा रोटी में लगा के देते हैं ना घी खाने के लिए, चपाती में, टू मेक आवर बॉडी स्ट्रॉन्ग, हेल्दी रहने के लिए। मम्मा दाल प्रिपेयर करती है तो उसमें भी डालती है, जिससे कि हम क्या बने, स्ट्रॉन्ग बने। What they both did, they stole a bottle of ghee and hide it inside the church. उन्होंने कहाँ पे छुपा दिया उसको, चर्च के अंदर। Now what they thought, when they hid it inside the church, तो उनको क्या लगा, अब यहाँ पे तो कोई नहीं आएगा, सो दे बोथ मूव्ड अवे फ्रॉम देयर, वो वहां पे बॉटल को छुपा के वहां से चले गए. नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू, माउस वॉज गुड फ्रेंड, बट हाउ वॉज कैट? कैट वॉज सेल्फिश. इट यूज टू थिंक फॉर इट सेल्फ ओनली. कैट किसके बारे में सोचती थी? सिर्फ अपने ही बारे में सोचती थी कैट. कैट को माउस की चिंता नहीं थी, तो वो कैट कैसी हो गई? सेल्फिश एज वेल एज ग्रीडी. सेल्फिश एज वेल एज ग्रीडी. हमने अपने पहले लेसन में पढ़ा था ना, ग्रीडी मीन्स लालच करना. दैट इज नॉट गुड. सो वी लर्न द स्पेलिंग ऑफ greedy. Let's learn together. G R double E D Y. Let's read it again. G R double E D Y. Greedy. Greedy means lalchi. Now, cat was greedy as well as it was selfish. Now, what it thought? It thought that if we both will going to eat this fat, अगर हम दोनों मिलके इस फैट को खाएंगे तो मुझे तो कम मिलेगा, माउस को ज्यादा मिलेगा, या हम दोनों को इक्वल इक्वल मिलेगा. तो उसने क्या सोचा कि मुझको ये सारा खा जाना चाहिए. हम कोई फूड लेके आते हैं, मम्मा क्या बोलती है? वी शुड शेयर आवर फूड विद ईच अदर, देन ओनली वी शुड ईट. बट ओवर हियर व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन it was having a fat, what it did? It decided not to stole. हमको चोरी तो नहीं करना चाहिए, that was the bad habit, but they stole, and the cat was very greedy as well as cat was very selfish. So what it decided? It said to mouse, it went to mouse and said that I am invited in the church. मुझे चर्च में क्या करा गया है? इनवाइट किया है. I am invited in the church for the christening. For what I am invited? I am invited in the church for the christening. Christening means what? Christening means that over here when in our Hindu culture, हमारा जो हिंदू कल्चर होता है, जब वहां पे कोई भी स्मॉल बेबी आता है ना, तो उसका क्या करते हैं? हम नामकरण करते हैं. नामकरण मीन्स हमारे जो भी हाउस में बड़े लोग होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं? बेबी को नेम देते हैं न्यू. सेम फॉर द क्रिश्चियन पीपल. व्हाट क्रिश्चियन पीपल यूज टू डू? क्रिश्चियन पीपल यूज टू डू द क्रिस्टनिंग. क्या करते हैं वो लोग? उसको क्रिस्टनिंग बोलते हैं. मीन्स जो क्रिश्चियन लोगों का बेबी होता है उसको एक न्यू नेम देना. कौन देता है उनको? उनके चर्च में जो फादर होते हैं. अब फादर कौन होते हैं चर्च में? नॉट फादर एज वी आर हैविंग आवर फादर, नॉट दैट फादर. ही इज द फादर. जैसे इन आवर टेम्पल्स देयर इज अ प्रीस्ट. हमारे टेम्पल्स में जो पूजा करते हैं, पुजारी जो होते हैं, दे आर नोन एज द प्रीस्ट. उनको क्या बोला जाता है? प्रीस्ट. बट इन द चर्च द पर्सन हु इज सर्विंग द गॉड, चर्च में जो पर्सन गॉड को प्रे कर रहे होते हैं, ही इज नोन एज द फादर. उनको फादर बोला जाता है. एंड इन द क्रिश्चियन रिलीजन में क्या होता है कि स्मॉल बेबी यूज टू taken to the church for the christening. christening मतलब उसको वहां पे न्यू नेम दिया जाता है. Now what cat said to mouse? cat ने mouse को बोला that I am invited in the church. मुझे invite किया गया है for the christening. So what mouse said? Mouse said, okay, if you are invited for the christening in the church, you can go over there. So did anyone invite the cat? Do you know this thing? क्या कैट को किसी ने इनवाइट करा था? नो, नो वन इनवाइटेड द कैट. कैट वॉज ग्रीडी एज वेल एज सेल्फिश. वो लालची भी थी और क्या थी? अपने ही बारे में सोचती थी. हमारे वर्ल्ड में हम जहां भी रहते हैं, सो मेनी पीपल्स आर लिविंग अराउंड अस, दे आर सेल्फिश. जो अपने बारे में ही सोचते हैं, दूसरों की चिंता नहीं करते. सो वी शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ देम. हमें उस चीज, उन लोगों से अपना ध्यान रखना चाहिए. वी शुड केयर आवरसेल्व्स फ्रॉम द सेल्फिश पीपल. जो दूसरे सेल्फिश पीपल है उनसे हमको बच के रहना चाहिए. बट माउस वॉज वेरी गुड. माउस तो बहुत अच्छा था. ही वॉज नॉट इवन नोइंग, उसको पता भी नहीं था दैट माई फ्रेंड इज चीटिंग ऑन मी. मेरा जो फ्रेंड है वही मुझसे झूठ बोल रहा है. सो व्हाट ही डिड ओवर देयर? उसने क्या करा? ही सेड टू कैट, ओके, इफ यू आर इनवाइटेड फॉर अ christening, you can go. Now, what happened when the cat moved inside the church? It immediately took the pot of a fat. उसने pot निकाला fat का and ate a top of it. उसमें पूरा suppose ये सब ऐसे ऐसे यहाँ पे घी fill up था. So it ate a top of the pot में से top of the fat जो था घी उसने eat कर लिया. Then after that what he did, when he came back in the evening, when it came back, जब cat return आई वापस वहां से, then what happened, the little mouse asked him that what was the name of the boy, what was the name of the boy that you moved over here, and they gave the name. So what cat replied? Cat replied that its name is Top Off. Its name is Top Off. What was the name? Let's read together. T-O-P, top. O-double-F, off. What was the name? Top Off. So mouse was very nice. What he said? Okay. He said okay. Now as cat ate top of the top, उसने ऊपर का जितना भी उसमें फैट था, it eat it. Then after that what happened? Another day came. When another day came, again cat said to mouse, वापस cat ने mouse से क्या बोला कि again today also I am invited in the church. आज वापस मुझको invite करा है church में. Now again I have to go to the church and second time I have to go in the christening also. अब दोबारा मुझे कहाँ जाना है? I have to go for the christening. So what the mouse said, one day तो you went, again you want to go? Okay, yes, because they have invited me. So mouse said to cat, mouse ने cat को क्या बोला? Okay, if you are invited over there, you can go. Then what happened? Again the cat moved from there, and where it went? It went to the church only. वो church ही गई और उसने क्या करा? उसने इसका top portion तो घी का यहाँ से क्या कर लिया था? Eat. What it did? Eat it. When it came for the second day, again it ate. Now it ate a half. कितना खा लिया उसने? Half. So after eating the half of the fat, again it returned back. वापस वो आई घर पे. Then mouse was again sitting over there. Then what happened? Mouse asked him. Mouse ने उसको क्या पूछा? That you went over there. What did you eat? आपने क्या खाया वहां पे? Did you eat something? So what it said? No, no, I didn't eat something. I went for the christening. मैं तो christening के लिए गई थी. तो what the mouse asked? Mouse ने क्या बोला उसको? If you went for the christening, so जो second baby है, what's its name? So what it said? It said its name is half done. What it said? Its name is half done. What was its name? Its name was half done. But the mouse was very good. Well, how was mouse? Mouse was very good. He agreed. उसने बोला okay. अगर आप बोल रहे हो तो आप right ही बोल रहे होगे. So he said it's okay. Now again he went over there for the third time. He went over there for the third time and said, again I have to go for the christening. So mouse started thinking. Mouse को क्या लगा? Why it is going again and again? क्यों cat बार बार जा रही है? So still he said, okay, if you have to go for the christening, you can go. So as he moved for the christening for the third time and returned back, as he moved for the christening for the third time, who went for the christening? Cat. Where did it went? It went to the church. And what did it say to the mouse? Mouse को उसने क्या बोला? That I am going to the church for the christening. So after in the evening when cat came back from the church, जब cat church से वापस आई, so what did he said? He asked him, mouse asked him that what was the name of the third boy? What was the name of the third boy? So what did the cat replied? Cat replied, it's all done. The name of the cat is all done. The spelling we'll read A double L all DONE. The name of the spelling is A double L all DONE. So what the cat said? Cat said to him, the name of the third boy is A double L all DONE. Done. Now mouse said, you as you are moving to the church, why the name of the babies are like this? Top off and the half done and the all done. Is this kind of name we ever? You have heard any name of this kind that someone is having name like this, all done, half done? There must be something wrong. यहाँ पे कुछ गड़बड़ है. So what did mouse decided? Mouse decided that I should also go and check. मैं भी जाता हूँ और मुझे जाके वहां पे चेक करना पड़ेगा. Then what happened? Mouse moved from there. Mouse ने क्या करा? It also went to the church. Now when it reached to the church, what it saw? It saw that the pot was empty. उसने क्या देखा था? Pot तो क्या हो गया था? पूरा खाली हो गया था. Then what mouse said to rat? Cat. Mouse ने cat को क्या बोला? That you ate all of the pot of fat. आपने तो pot में से सारा fat खा लिया है. And I trusted you. मैंने आप पे विश्वास करा था that we are going to save that food for the winter. हम winters के लिए उस food को बचा के रखेंगे. But you ate the whole of it. आपने तो उसमें से सारा eat कर लिया. Now what I am going to eat? अब मैं क्या खाऊंगा? So what the cat replied? Cat ने क्या reply करा? Cat said that you are very foolish. आप बहुत ज्यादा foolish हो. You why you are trusting me? You should not trust me. आपको मुझ पे trust नहीं करना चाहिए था. And what the cat did? I told you in the beginning what are the things that cat like to eat. Cat like to eat meat and it like to chase the rat and it likes to eat the rat. वो rat को पकड़ के उसको eat करना उसको अच्छा लगता था. And the thing it like to drink that was milk. Milk उसको अच्छा लगता था. Rat को chase करके eat करना अच्छा लगता था. As well as it likes to eat the meat. So the whatever fat was remaining, उसमें जितना भी fat था वो तो उसने eat कर लिया था. Now what it thought? The mouse was there. When mouse started saying to her like this, that you have eaten everything, why did you eat? Then as the selfish cat, what it did? It immediately jumped on the rat. वो immediately उस mouse पे उसने jump करा and ate him all. और वो उस पूरे rat को खा गई. After eating it, this shows that the selfishness was there. वहां पे क्या था? Selfishness was there. Why selfishness was there? Because the mouse trusted the cat a lot. Mouse क्या करता था? Mouse उसको cat को पे बहुत trust करता था. So he thought that cat will not going to eat anything. उसने क्या सोचा कि cat जो है, we both trust each other, so we are not going to eat anything over there. But what happened when it reached over there? What it saw that cat had eaten everything over there, so it became very sad. जब बहुत sad हो गई, then what happened? Very angrily, बहुत ही गुस्से में cat ने क्या करा? वो jump करा उसने किसके ऊपर? Mouse के ऊपर and ate it all. Ate it all मतलब वो mouse को भी eat कर गई. Now let's learn few of the new words of the lesson. Now the first one is, let's learn the new words. New, WORDS. New words. Let's begin. Number 1. It's CAT. First one is CAT. Second, NOUSE. Second one is Mouse. Now the third one is decided. Decided. Then the fourth one is winter. For which season they were want to save the food? उनको कौन सी सीजन के लिए फूड सेव करना था? विंटर, मतलब जब हमको ठंडी लगता है, कोल्ड का सीजन आ जाता है. Number 5, what they want to do? They want to save. They want to save what? क्या सेव करना था उनको? Food. What they want to save? They wanted to save the food. Now, next number 7. For saving the food, how did they got the food? They stole the food. What did they do? They stole the food. Then, after stealing the food, what did they do? They hid it inside the church. Where did they hid? Inside the church. CHURCH, inside the church. How was the cat? The cat was greedy. How was the cat? The cat was greedy. Cat कैसी थी? लालची थी. And it was very greedy. And where it shared? Why she was going to church? वो church क्यों जा रही थी? It was going to church for the christening. So spelling of christening is CHRISTENING. Christening. Then angrily. ANGRILY. And the last one is it up. Now we are going to read all this together. So let's start from the beginning. Name of the lesson was cat and mouse. Now we are going to begin our new words. The word, the spelling you should learn. I'm going to tell you the meaning also, as well as we'll read. हम meaning भी बताते हैं और साथ में पढ़ते भी हैं. First one is CAT, cat. As I told you, बिल्ली को English में what we used to say it cat. And in our lesson, how is the cat? हमारे lesson में cat कैसी है? Selfish and greedy. Second one is MOUSE. Mouse. Mouse means rat. Rat कैसा था? Very nice. Very nice friend of, किसका friend था वो? Very nice friend of cat. But cat was very selfish towards the mouse. वो selfishness दिखाती थी किसकी तरफ? Mouse की तरफ. Rather than mouse always used to be very good. Third one is DECIDED. Decided मतलब किसी चीज में रेडी कर लेने का कि नहीं हमको यही काम करना है. You have to decide, like you have to learn today English. आज इंग्लिश पढ़ना है, कल मैथ्स पढ़ना है, या 4 to 5 इंग्लिश पढ़ेंगे, 5 to 6 मैथ्स पढ़ेंगे. तो हमने टाइम डिसाइड कर लिया कि ये टाइम पे हम ये वर्क करेंगे. That means decided. Now number 4 is WINTER. Winter. Winter means winter is a season. You know how many seasons are there? There are 5 seasons: summer, winter, monsoon, autumn, and spring. These are the seasons. Now, next one is number 5 is save. 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 Save मतलब बचाना. Who want to save? Cat and mouse decided to save the food for the winter. Cat और mouse ने क्या decide करा था? They will going to save their food for the winter. Now comes the number 6. Number 6 is food. Food is the thing that we like to eat. That is food, that is the food we like to eat, जो हम खाना खाते हैं. That the food that the cat and the mouse want to save. And what was that food? That food was ghee. A pot of ghee. एक छोटा सा बॉटल उन लोगों ने स्टोर करके रख लिया था जिसके अंदर क्या था? घी था. Now next comes the number 7 and the spelling is STOLE. Stole. Stole means what? Churana. That is not the good thing. We should not stole. Next one is church. 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 Church means what? As I explained you, church is a place where Christian people used to go to worship. जहाँ पे Christian लोग जाते हैं pray करने के लिए. We used to go to the temple. Muslim people used to go to the mosque. Sikh people used to go to the fire temple. Same as the different religion people used to go to different place to worship. Same Christian people used to go to the church. Now number 9, it is GREEDY. Greedy. Who was greedy? Our cat was greedy. Next one is christening. First we'll read the spelling together, then I'll let you know the meaning again. It is CHRISTENING. Christening mean what? As I told you, in our Hindu religion, when a small baby come, हमारे Hindu religion में कभी भी एक small baby आता है हमारे house में, so what we used to do? Elder person used to give them the name. हमारे जो elder person होते हैं, according to their राशि, उनका जो भी name होता है, उनका date of birth के according उसको calculate करके उनका name रखा जाता है अक्षर पे. Over here, christening means in there Christian people used to go to the church. जो Christian people होते हैं वो church में जाते हैं and the priest जो पूजा कराते हैं church में, he is known as the father. उनको father बोला जाता है. So father used to give them the name. Christian people में father church में small baby को new name देते हैं. That is called the christening. Next number 11 is angrily. First learn the spelling. ANGRILY. Angrily मतलब गुस्से में. Who was angry? Mouse was angry when he got to know that cat had eaten everything. Mouse गुस्सा हुआ था, but कब? जब उसको पता चला था that I trusted my friend a lot. मुझे तो अपने friend पे बहुत भरोसा था. But what my friend did? It ate the everything whatever I was having. हमने जितना भी चीज संभाल के रखा था छुपा के विंटर के लिए, कैट ने सारा खा लिया. So it became angry and same was the cat. कैट ने क्या बोला? कैट भी गुस्सा हुई और वो उसके ऊपर चढ़ गई और उसने उसको ईट कर लिया. लास्ट वन इज सेम. ATE up. ate up. फाइनली लास्ट में कैट ने क्या करा? माउस के ऊपर चढ़ के उसको खा लिया. नाउ हियर आवर लेसन गेट्स over. Let's revise whole of the lesson again. The name of the lesson was, let's read the spelling together. CAT cat, AND MOUSE mouse. What's the name of the lesson? Cat and mouse. Now this is the story of cat and the mouse. And how are they? They are the two good friends. कैसे हैं cat और mouse यहाँ पे? They are the two good friends. But are they good friends? क्या वो good friends थे? हमारी story हमने आपको बताया. Are they good friends? No. Mouse was good friend, but cat was not. Cat was selfish as well as it was greedy. Whatever food they have stolen for the winter, उन्होंने winter के लिए जो भी food store करके रखा था छुपा के, what did cat did? Cat 1 day, 2 day, 3 day रोज से माउस से लाइज बोल के कहाँ जाती थी? चर्च में. माउस से झूठ बोल के चर्च में जाती थी. एंड इट यूज्ड टू एट ऑल द फैट. और सारा फैट वहां पे खा लेती थी. बट माउस वाज वेरी नाइस. माउस कैसा था हमारा? वेरी नाइस. वो उस पर ट्रस्ट करता था। बट फाइनली एट द एंड जब उसको लास्ट में पता चला कि ये रोज रोज जाती है कैट वहां पे, क्या करती है, देन ही सेड आई विल ऑल्सो कम विद यू टू सी, मैं भी चलता हूँ चलो देखने के लिए। बट वेन ही वेंट ओवर देयर व्हाट ही सॉ, द पॉट वाज एम्प्टी। जब वो वहां पर गया तो उसने क्या देखा, पॉट में कुछ भी नहीं था, पॉट तो खाली हो गया था। सो ही वो बिकेम वेरी एंग्री, जो माउस था हमारा वो बहुत गुस्सा हो गया। सो ही सेड टू कैट व्हाई डिड यू डू दिस, आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, आई ट्रस्टेड यू, मुझे तो आप पे विश्वास था। Then what the cat said? Cat said, "You are foolish. तुम तो foolish हो. I used to think of myself only. मैं तो अपने बारे में ही सोच रही थी." So what did cat did? Cat jumped on the mouse. Cat jumped on the mouse and ate it up. Do you know now what is the favorite food of cat? Was the mouse. And in the end of the story, what did cat did? In the end of the story, cat ate up the mouse.